Hello and welcome to EME4810. This is a summer version, so it goes really quickly. Let's have a quick tour of Canvas. This is a home screen, and if you click Start here, it'll take you from one page to another, and that's how you would navigate right here at the bottom of the page. But first, let's go and see what the syllabus looks like. The syllabus is in PDF format, so you'll have to download it. The best way to get in touch with me is by email. If you leave a telephone message, I probably won't get it. The other way to get in touch with me is with my Skype username, which is right here. It's important that you get the textbook and that you get it quickly because this is only a 6-week class and we'll use it every week. Make sure you also have live text because that is a College of Ed requirement. Also, you'll need a microphone. You'll need it for 2 of our assignments, the PowerPoint and the multimedia introduction. Here's how you can get Office for free. Actually, you've already paid for it with your FAU funds. I'd like to skip down to the schedule and the projects. Almost there. So this is all of the assignments and how many points they're worth and what percentage it is of your grade. But remember that you can't pass the course without a passing critical assignment. It's an online course, so we're working in a very condensed format. I have the schedule here inside the syllabus, but you can also find it over in Canvas. So let's go back and jump into Canvas. So if you click on the syllabus area, you'll see here's where you can download the syllabus in PDF format or just the schedule if you want. But Canvas does a really nice job of breaking it down into weeks so that you can see everything that's due, and you can also use this calendar up here. So I look forward to working with you and learning with you this summer, but the 6 weeks goes really fast, so expect to spend 8 to 10 hours or more in the class a week, and if anything's more than a week late, it'll end up being a 0. So you really need to keep on track on things. If you have questions, you can post them to the discussion area in questions, comments, and concerns. And if you can answer each other's questions, please do so and help each other. Good luck, and I look forward to teaching this class.